commercial and residential cleaning business, Darwin, Northern Territory. This tightly held and profitable business offers a golden opportunity in the vibrant harbour city of Darwin. With turnover at $1.2 million plus, the business has grown exponentially to be a sought-after cleaning service throughout the area. Clients include commercial businesses and offices, childcare centres and schools, residential homes, body corporates, NDIS, and more. Consistent income is derived from referrals, word of mouth, and some advertising, with huge potential to use social media, TV, and radio. The owner oversees the business with the operations manager, and a team of experienced contract cleaners is in place. Assets include 2 sign-written vehicles, plus a dual cab ute, and the business also retails cleaning supplies and equipment. Clients are rostered for regular daily, weekly, fortnightly, and monthly services, ensuring consistent income. Well-established businesses with excellent cash flow and regular clients rarely come on the market, so be quick to inquire.